everyone, I'm Nitya. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be making this beautiful pen stand using a Fevicol bottle. So let's get started. First, I'm going to remove the label and clean it. Now we're going to cut it, so for that I'm just marking the line using permanent marker. Now I have washed it and cleansed it very well, and this is how it's going to look after that. Now I'm again going to mark 1 finger distance from the top, and we're going to cut this portion as well. Now we're going to keep it like this. So for that I'm going to make a hole here, and we'll mark it again using the permanent marker, and then I'll cut it. Make sure that it fits properly like this and it doesn't fall out or be too loose. Now I'm going to make gesso. So for that we'll use some baby powder and glue. You can use white acrylic color if you want. Mixing very little glue first. I made this clay and I kept it aside. Then I added more glue and some water, and I made the actual gesso and I applied that on a base. So if you add very little glue, you can actually make clay with baby powder. Now I'll just apply gesso and let it dry completely. So now it has completely dried. I'm going to cut the top portion of this lid. You have to do this if you're going to keep a plant inside this, but if you're not going to do that, then this is fine. Now using the clay that we had kept earlier, I made the nose and the lips. Now I've sticked that using clay, and I've done the drawing of the eyes and the design on the top. Now I'm going to start with the painting. So I'm going to use this flesh tint color for the face. I'm going to use burnt amber color for the hair. I'm going to use pink 18 for the lips, but if you don't have this color, then you can also mix some red and white color. Now while drawing the rough sketch, some portions came out, so I painted that with white, and for the design we're going to use ultramarine blue. So I'll take it on my palette and also add some water so that I can make the lines thin. make sure to use the thinnest brush you have for this so that the design looks pretty. And this is how pretty the design looks. And now for the final touches, I'm going to add black for the eyes, and then it is ready. If you think it looks beautiful, then please do make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. That is it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.